Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Your phone must support Android Auto wireless, and the car needs Wi-Fi or built-in wireless Android Auto. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi because the phone uses Bluetooth to initiate pairing and Wi-Fi for the screen stream. If you previously paired this car, forget the old connection first to avoid handshake conflicts. Open the Android Auto app, go to Settings, then Wireless Projection. Tap to start the wireless discovery. This initiates the car and phone to find each other and exchange pairing data. Once your phone discovers the car, select the car name on your phone and accept the Bluetooth PIN on both ends. This secures the initial link. Next, the phone will request to join or create a Wi-Fi direct hotspot. Accept network access and location permissions so the devices can exchange video and audio data. Make sure Android Auto has all necessary permissions for phone calls, messages, and contacts. Without them, some features won't display. Wait a few seconds as the Wi-Fi link negotiates bandwidth and codecs for a smooth display. To finish, confirm Android Auto's interface is fully loaded on the head unit and test audio, navigation, and touch controls. Make sure audio routes to the car speaker and voice works. For stability, set the phone to exclude Android Auto from battery optimization or enable stay awake while charging. If you hit a problem, reboot the phone, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then remove and repair the car entry in Android Auto. This clears cached credentials and resolves most handshake or hotspot conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.